Hey guys, welcome back to Aldo. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to use a fusible interfacing on the neckline. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. If you are new here, welcome. I would really appreciate it if you are going to subscribe to my channel. I post new video every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning Central Time. And don't forget to hit the notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new update. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started.
As you can see, the dress is almost done. I'm just going to finish the neckline. So the dress is going to have buttons on the front, so it has plackets on the front. This placket is where I'm going to put the buttons. This placket is where I am going to put the buttonholes. So as you can see that there is a slight difference. The other side is more V and this one is more straight. It is very important to stabilize the neckline just because the fabric is going to gape if you don't put a stabilizer or fusible interfacing. So this was a leftover fusible interfacing that I use for the plackets. That's why it is 1 inch wide. So I'm just going to use the leftover and I'm just going to measure the front necklines. By the way, I got this from Joann's. You can buy it by the yard and you just have to follow the instruction that comes with it. And then I went ahead and cut the amount that I needed for the neckline, and I thought it is a little wide, so I am going to cut it in half, so I will have 1/2 inch for the front neckline. And then I will pin it on the wrong side of the fabric. And here I'm just going to iron it, making sure that it is fused together. If you are wondering which type of patterns I use for this project, I just simply use my self-drafted bodice patterns and the A-line skirt pattern that I use for the Meghan Markle inspired dress. I just simply altered it and added plackets on the front. I also use a basic sleeve patterns for the sleeves. If you want me to make a full tutorial on how I made this dress, be sure to give this video a like. If I get 200 likes, I will recreate same style dress. On the back neckline, you can also use a fusible interfacing if you want to, but I decided to do a stay stitch instead. So I'm just going to sew a stay stitch about 1/4 of an inch away from the raw edge. Now to finish the neckline, I'm just simply going to double fold it. First, I fold it about 1/4 of an inch and then I fold it again. And after that, I am going to sew it from here to the other end. Be sure to backstitch so the thread will not unravel. And this is the final product. I really love how the neckline turned out. It's not gaping at all.
That's it, you guys, and I hope you like the tutorial. If you learned something from this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new video every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning Central Time. I will see you in the next episode. Bye!